How are you today? Are you okay? Are you ready to learn? Okay, welcome back to my class, and today we are going to learn global math. Do you know what is our material today? Yeah, this is it. I can divide between two whole numbers. Have you ever learned how to divide two whole numbers? Yeah, here we go. Take a look. I already write here an example. This is 2 divided by 3. The digit 2 is a whole number, and then we are going to divide it by a whole number 2. Can you solve this? Okay, let's try. Can you change this whole number to be a fraction? Yes. The first one, we have to change it into fraction. 2, this is name. Yes, over 1. And then, how about 3? Yes, divided by 3. Can you mention the fraction form of 3? Yes, the fraction form of 3 is 3 over 1. Okay, now we are going to divide it. And then, still remember that when we divide fraction, we change it numerator, we change into denominator and denominator to be a numerator. Okay, here we go. This means 2 over 1 and multiply by, yes, this is the numerator, right? We put it as numerator. And then we change 3 to be the denominator. So 1/3. So now 2 over 1 multiply by 1/3. Okay. Now we just multiply the numerator by numerator. So this is mean 2 multiply by 2 equals 2. And then denominator, yes, 1 multiplied by 1 is 3. So we get the result is 2/3. This is the final answer. Is it right? Can you try another example? Yes, I hope so. You already read. Okay, once again, I will give you another example. Take a look. I will write 6 divided by 8. Can you solve this? Come on, let's solve this together. Change the whole number into fractions, and then this one too. So, what is the fraction form of digit 6? Yes, this means 6 over 1, and then divided by, yes, what is the fraction form of 8? Yes, this means 8 over 1, and then the next step is, yes, we change this sign into multiplication. Yes, here we go. The first one, 6 over 1. Multiply by, don't forget to change the denominator into numerator. So this becomes 8, right? And the next step, we multiply the numerator by numerator is, yeah, so 6 times 1 equals 6. And then denominator, yes, 1 times 8 equals 8. And the final answer is 6, 8. Can you make the simple form of 6, 8? Yes. Here we go. We have to make it for the simple fractions. So this means 6 over 8. We divided it by, yes, 2 divided by 2. So this becomes, yes, 3/4. Is it right? Okay, now to the next step. I can divide a proper fraction by a whole number. Okay, let's see. I already write here in the example. This is a fraction, and then we are going to divide it by a whole number. Can you solve this, guys? Can you imagine how to divide a fraction by a whole number? Okay, here we go. Okay, the next one, the first step is, this is 3/4 divided by, this is whole number, right? And then the first one, you have to remember this, you have to change it into fraction form. So, can you tell me the fraction of this whole number 5? Yes, this is mean 5 over 1. And then now, we change the sign over here. So, this is mean 3 4 multiplied by, do you remember that our rules? Denominator you change with numerator. So this is 1 to be numerator, and then the denominator is 5. Okay, good. And the next step is multiply numerator by numerator, and then denominator by denominator. Here we go. So this is mean 3 times 1 equals, yes, 3, and then 4 times 5 equals, yes, 20. So the final answer is 320. Is it right? Or you can also read this fraction 3 over 20. Is it right? Okay, now I will give you one example again to make you more understand. Okay, here we go. Number 2. Let me think first. I will make the fraction, half divided by 3. Okay, good. By 3. Can you solve this, guys? The step 1, half divided by, we change this whole number to be fraction form, and then, so what is the fraction of 3? Yes, this is mean 3 over 1. And then the next step, we change the sign. Division, we change into multiplication. So this is mean half multiplied by, do you remember that denominator we change with numerator, and numerator we change to be denominator. So this is mean 1/3. And then the last step, yes, numerator by numerator is 1 times 1 equals 1. And then 2 times 3 equals 6. So this is the simplest form of this fraction. So the final answer is 1/6. Also, you can read this 1 over 6. Is it right? Yes. It's time for you to do the exercise on your workbook. Thank you for your attention and see you next week. Bye bye.